Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to start question number 9 of exercise 2.2. It says that we have to consider any two particular matrices A and B, which I have considered over here. You can see this is the matrix A I have considered, and this is the matrix B of your own choice. So you can choose any of your choice. You can do it all with yourself and just see the method which I'm using and do it by yourself, okay, with your choice of matrices of order 3 cross 3. So this is the only condition you are given for the choice of your matrices, that you have to choose a matrix that is of order 3 cross 3. So there should be 3 rows and 3 columns, and show that A plus B whole transpose equals A transpose plus B transpose. So what is A plus B whole transpose? We are going to find it. First of all, A plus B and then take its whole transpose. So we are going to write A plus B matrix over here and then take its whole transpose. So I written the matrices A and then with a positive sign, and then B matrix, which I've just copied from these two matrices over here, and with the whole transpose. So whole and transpose, this small t represents transpose, okay, that we have to take transpose of the resulting matrix. Now we are going to add these two matrices together. Now we are going to add the corresponding elements of both the matrices together. So the corresponding element of 2 is 6 over here. So 2 plus 6, then is 0 plus 7 gives us 7, and 3 plus 5. Then over here it is 4 plus 0, which gives us 4. Then 8 plus 1, and then 6 plus 3. Then the next element, corresponding element of 3 is 1, so 3 plus 1. Then 0 plus 2 gives us 2, and then 5 plus 0 gives us 5. And never forget to put the transpose sign over its head. And now we are going to write down its result in this matrix. So it has 2 plus 6, which gives us 8, then 7 as it is, and then 3 plus 5 gives us again 8, 4 as it is, 8 plus 1 gives us 9, 6 plus 3 again gives us 9, 1 plus 3 gives us 4, 2 is written as it is, and 5 also as it is, and this chota sa t also over here. Now we are going to write the result by taking the transpose, which would be that we have to change the first row into the first column. So 844 will be written this way, 844. Then 792 will become the second column, 792, and 895 is the third row, so it will become the third column, 895. And this is your result for the left hand side. Now we are going to solve it for the right hand side. So how are we going to write this B transpose plus A transpose? B transpose is to be written at first, so we are going to take this matrices transpose. So what would it be? 603 is the first row, so we are going to change it into the first column, 603. Then 712 will be written this way, 7, 1 and 2, and the last row 530 will be changed into the last column, which is here 530. Then same goes for A matrix, which and it will become this matrix. Now we are going to add these two matrices together, so we are going to add the corresponding entries of the two matrices. 6 plus 2, then 0 plus 4 gives us 4, 3 plus 1 gives us 3 plus 1, 7 plus 0 gives us 7, 1 plus 8, and this is 2 plus 0 gives us 2, then 5 plus 3, then we get 3 plus 6, and then we get 0 plus 5 gives us 5. Now we are going to write its final answer over here, which is going to be 6 plus 2, 8, then 4 as it is, then 3 plus 1 gives us 4, then 7 as it is, 8 plus 1 gives us 9, 2 as it is, 5 plus 3 gives us 8, 6 plus 3 gives us 9, and 5 will remain as it is. And we can see that this matrix resulting from the left hand side and the matrix resulting from the right hand side are both equal. So we are going to write it as left hand side equals right hand side. So we have proved it. Thank you so much.